Welcome to the future of voice generation. That voice you just heard isn't a real recording. I cloned my own voice and generated that entirely with AI. And this is the platform you are going to build. Meet Resonance, a full stack AI voice generation platform that you are going to build from scratch. User authentication, team workspaces, custom voice creation, usage based billing. The whole thing. But here's what makes this project different from anything else out there. The AI model that generates the speech isn't some paid third-party API. You will learn how to self-host Chatterbox text-to-speech model on a serverless GPU. You will own the entire voice generation pipeline. Here's the full flow. Pick a voice. Dial in the generation settings, creativity, voice variety, expression range, natural flow. These aren't decorative sliders. They map directly to the model's inference parameters, so you decide exactly how expressive or consistent the output sounds. Hit generate, and the audio comes back into a fully interactive player.
Listen up, adventurer. The realm of Ashenval is crumbling, and the
Scrub through the waveform, skip forward and back, download the file, all right from the browser. Storage is S3 compatible, so Cloudflare R2, AWS S3, MinIO, whatever fits your stack. And every generation is automatically metered against the organization's billing account using Polar. Users can create custom voices in two ways. Upload an audio file with drag and drop, or record one straight from the browser. Hit record, and you get real-time visual feedback of what the microphone is picking up. Stop, preview your recording, and then fill in the metadata: name, category, and language. The voice gets stored and is immediately available for your entire team to use in their own text-to-speech generations. Your custom voice is now live. It shows up on the Voices page under your team's collection, where you can preview it or jump straight into generating with it. Every generation is saved in the History tab, so nothing gets lost. Now here's how you can actually monetize this. Polar powers usage-based billing per organization. You will learn how to charge for each voice creation, as well as for each character generated, and how to adjust pricing to cover your infrastructure costs and generate real revenue. Here's how everything works together. User input flows through a type-safe API layer to the Chatterbox text-to-speech model. Self-hosted, so you only pay for GPU time when someone actually generates speech. Audio is stored in Cloudflare R2 and streamed back through an optimized proxy. Clerk manages authentication and team workspaces. Each organization gets its own isolated voices and usage. Prisma handles the data layer, the ORM for typed queries and migrations, paired with Prisma Postgres as the database for an optimized end-to-end experience. Polar tracks every generation and bills each organization based on your pricing tiers. Railway handles deployment. No cold starts, no surprise serverless bills, no AWS wrapper adding markup. They run on their own hardware. Push to GitHub and your app is live. Every pull request gets its own preview environment, so nothing hits production untested. Sentry handles error monitoring, bringing the whole project one step closer to a production-ready app. And CodeRabbit reviews every pull request in this build. During the build of this project, it caught bugs I completely overlooked that would have shipped a broken app to production. That is Resonance, a real SaaS product built step by step. Every tool used in this project offers a free tier, so you can build the entire thing without spending a cent. The full source code is also free and available. Link is in the description. And now, let's get started.